Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can clear all watched video history on Facebook account. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment and subscribe. Let's start. At the top left, tap the three lines. Then tap settings and privacy. Tap settings. Scroll down. Find activity log. Tap activity history. Click filters. Category. Your Facebook activity. Tap posts. Tap videos you have watched. You can delete one by one. If you tap this three dots, you can delete this one. Or you can clear all together just by tap clear video watch history. Clear. We have started clearing your video watch history. If your video watch history is long, it may take some time to clear. That's all. Have a nice time.